OnlyFans adult model marketing. Make 6 figures with OnlyFans and adult content. OnlyFans pimping. So, good question. So if you want to crush it being an OnlyFans manager or an OnlyFans creator, that's what I'm going to talk about real quick, okay? So me personally, I could promote people's OnlyFans and make them so much money with paid ads, plus consulting, like telling them exactly the type of content that would crush it for them. I just understand it so well, and I can get people huge results with that. I've made millions of dollars with adult marketing, so I know what I'm doing here. But if you want it, let's just talk about this. If you wanted to start an agency and you just want to make like 6 figures with OnlyFans, okay? Here's how you do it. You reach out to OnlyFans creators. You're going to find them on TikTok or Instagram, or you're going to find them on the OnlyFans platform itself. You reach out to them. You say you're going to manage them. But not just manage them. Like, what does managing mean? Okay, managing means a lot of things. You can manage the DMs and the requests from people. You can create offers for the individual who's the OnlyFans creator to promote to their audience, like different offers. And there's a lot of different offers you can promote. Like, what are they? There's a lot. You could just have a blurred image, make that an offer. Blurred video. People doing ratings on different things. You know what I mean? I don't want to get too specifics or whatever, because I don't actually consume a lot of OnlyFans stuff, but I understand like how the money's made because I've studied the market enough to know it, okay? If you want to make 6 figures with this, that's how you do it. If you are an actual OnlyFans creator, the best advice I could possibly give you is look at the top OnlyFans creators and what they've done and like what their content is that brings people to their OnlyFans, okay? And then think like about who you are and the type of things about you to leverage to go viral or get attention, and what's like the biggest selling factor as to why people would buy your OnlyFans. Is it your personality? Is it your looks? Is it whatever, okay? And then you want to make content that exploits that to the extreme, and you want to stand out leveraging your strengths, not your weaknesses or whatever, okay? And so you got to stand out, and you got to see what's worked for other people, but your goal is to make viral content on these platforms and to really go viral. But you don't want to get like shadow banned, or you don't want to get like flagged or whatever with your content going too far to the extreme. You have to, stand out. You have to make content that's very hard to copy. This is how you go viral. This is really what it is. Most people make simple content if you just go above and beyond in a way that is hard to copy, that's what equals virality. It's one of the best definitions and advice of how to actually go viral. So if you wanted to crush it with your OnlyFans, that's one of the best advices. If you're already crushing it with OnlyFans, the next thing to understand is paid marketing. And so you can boost what you're doing as a tax write-off, obviously, to grow your business and do adult marketing. So you can literally, and I can do this for people, you just pay me 10 grand, reach out to me right now if you're already crushing it. But you just pay me like 10 grand, maybe it'll be higher if I get more clients over time, but it's something I'm not super doing because I already make money in so many different areas. I'm just sharing this advice. But if you DM me and you're like, I want to do paid ads, I'll literally help you exactly what you need. And how do you do that? You market on big adult sites like Traffic Junkie, ExoClick, Arrow Advertising, and all these other ones. And it's super cheap. You can get in front of a ton of people and build a ton of brand awareness. You can also hyper target. Let's say you're a specific creator for whatever fetish or niche you're doing, and you want to get more people's attention in that fetish or niche that you're making content in. Then you can hyper target with keywords and how to do that and stuff. But then there's like the important part, which is making ads that actually will be successful and targeting correctly regarding other targetings that are kind of top secret stuff. But regarding that, that's how you crush it. And if you want to crush it on OnlyFans as a creator or as a agency, that's how you crush it. And I think if you're an agency, you want to supply in as many areas as possible. Managing the actual followers of the individual's account. You want to do paid marketing and help with that. You want to do consulting, and you want to have like cameramen ready to help with that sort of stuff, like photography and videos and stuff like that, and helping with directing and having a content plan in place. That is kind of the best thing you can offer for managing and having an agency for OnlyFans people, okay? And you can build a whole client base, because usually OnlyFans creators know other OnlyFans creators, and there's a network there, and they can refer you, okay? And so that's how you can do it and crush it regarding that. And it's really about networking and proving to people you can help them get results. So if you want to go the route of being an agency, then great. But I think at this point, there's a lot of agencies out there. It'll be hard for you to be able to do that route. And I think the other best thing to do is do hyper-specific service, okay, for helping OnlyFans creators. Like you can help them with paid marketing specifically, or help them with managing their people that are subscribed, okay, and responding, okay, and interacting, okay, and keeping people on. So that's another powerful service you can offer. And there's way more. You can offer. Just think outside the box, brainstorm, and look at what's already working.